Hello again, my friend. I am glad you are here tonight. You are not alone. I am here with you. Tonight, we will talk about hope. Hope for tomorrow. Hope for the new day. Hope for your future. Hope is soft. Hope is gentle. Hope is like light. When we feel tired today, hope tells us tomorrow can be better. Tomorrow can be new. Hope is believing that things can change. Hope is believing that pain can pass. Hope is believing that tomorrow can bring joy. Hope is not a big thing. Hope is often small. A small candle in the dark, a small flower in the field, a small smile in the morning. But hope grows. Hope spreads. Hope lights the way. Today may feel heavy. Today may feel hard. But tomorrow is new. Tomorrow is fresh. Tomorrow is open. The sun will rise again. The light will return again. Life will give you another chance again. You do not need to carry today's pain into tomorrow. You can place it down. You can rest tonight. You can wake with new hope. Let's practice with your breath. Breathe in slowly. Breathe out gently. When you breathe in, imagine hope entering you. When you breathe out, imagine sadness leaving you. Breathe in light. Breathe out darkness. Breathe in tomorrow. Breathe out yesterday. Every breath is new. Every breath carries hope. Once, there was a tree in the forest. A storm came and broke one of its big branches. The tree looked weak. The tree looked sad. But slowly, day by day, the sun touched the tree. The rain fed the tree, and new leaves grew again. The tree did not give up. The tree carried hope. And one day, the tree was full of green leaves again. Like the tree, you too can grow again, even after storms, even after pain, because hope lives in you. Without hope, we stop moving. Without hope, we stop trying. Without hope, we feel lost. But with hope, we rise. With hope, we begin again. With hope, we see light in the dark. Hope is the bridge. It connects today to tomorrow. It connects pain to healing. It connects fear to courage. Close your eyes now. Imagine a soft light in your chest. This light is hope. It shines gently. It shines quietly. Even if life feels dark, the light still shines. Even if the night feels long, the light is there. Even if your heart feels heavy, the light does not die. This is your hope. It lives inside you. It will not leave you. Hope does not always shout. Hope whispers. Hope says, try again. Hope says, you can. Hope says, it's okay. You can find hope in small things. A kind word, a gentle laugh, a star in the sky, a flower on the street. Look for these small signs. They will give you hope. They will guide you forward. Think of today as one side of the river. Think of tomorrow as the other side. Between them, there is a bridge. The bridge is hope. When you feel weak, the bridge carries you. When you feel afraid, the bridge holds you. When you feel lost, the bridge guides you. Hope is the bridge to tomorrow, and tomorrow will come. It always comes. Let's say some gentle words together. I have hope. I carry hope inside me. Tomorrow will be new. Tomorrow can be better. My hope is strong. My light will grow. I believe in myself. I believe in tomorrow. Repeat them softly. Let them fill your heart. Once there was a little bird learning to fly. It fell many times. It was afraid. It almost gave up. But the little bird had hope. It tried again. It opened its wings again. And one day, it flew. The bird's hope made it strong. The bird's hope gave it courage. Like the bird, you too can rise. You too can try again. You too can fly. Hope is not only about doing. Hope is also about resting. Hope tells you, you can rest today. You can try again tomorrow. It is okay to rest. It is okay to sleep. It is okay to be gentle with yourself. Rest tonight and let hope carry you into tomorrow. Close your eyes again. Take a slow breath in. Let it out gently. Imagine standing at the door of tomorrow. The door is closed now, but the door will open in the morning. Behind the door is light. Behind the door is peace. Behind the door is new hope. Smile softly. You are ready to walk through the door tomorrow with peace, with strength, with hope. Remember this. Hope is free. Hope is always inside you. Hope is your gift. When life feels heavy, hold your hope. When the day feels dark, light your hope. When your heart feels tired, rest with hope. Hope will guide you. Hope will carry you. Hope will heal you. My friend, tonight you have remembered hope. You have remembered that tomorrow is new. You have remembered that you carry light inside you. Let go of today. Let go of pain. Rest now. Sleep with hope in your heart. Dream with hope in your mind. Wake with hope in your soul. Tomorrow is waiting, and tomorrow brings light, because you carry hope. Good night. Sleep well.